everyone, whoever doing, yeah. So very good afternoon. Sorry, it's good morning. Good morning, all. Vinod, Vinita, Vandana, Santosh, Leena, Sunita, Sai, Saiteja, Pravalika, Anita, everyone. So how the things going on? I want to just know how the things going on from your side, and I want to give you some important tips. And guys, see, whenever you have started this work hardly 10 to 15 days back, just now check out what is your account's credibility. Now you are getting resumes to your accounts. Now many hundreds of people joined your Insta, Telegram, or a LinkedIn or a Facebook. Minimum 100 people are there. So before you complete your first month, make sure that you will be having 1,000 people in your network. That is very easily. And whatever you're creating a network base now, it will be useful till your end of your life. Okay. See, even after highs, if you're going to another company, if you may see after this internship, we may take you as a full-time employees or we may take you as a part-time employees after this 3 months of internship period. Whoever are seriously working daily and they're able to understand the classes, not even focused on daily joining the classes. See, even though if you're unable to join the classes, you should see the recording and you should do that 1 hour work daily. It's 1 to 2 hours work to post in 5 social media networks and spreading that links. Okay. And everyone make sure that you are opening the highs YouTube channel in the YouTube highs channel in the YouTube. Okay, there are many comments. You reply to them, so you'll be having more people there. And whatever the important videos are there, start sharing that. I'm saying you two important videos till this month end 29th. One is 100 rupees Academy new video what I'm sharing today, and the job fair video what I shared you on Saturday. Okay, so these are the both important videos. Share that. And coming to the Facebook, see, we have one highs we have in a Facebook group. Make sure that you're adding the people in that group and daily you post one job description with your mail ID in that group. So in that group there are 1,000 people, and they may respond to your post. Everyone can see that post. Okay. And Facebook, one more thing, daily join new 20 to 30 Hyderabad job groups, Pune job groups, Chennai job groups, Bangalore. Every day target 30 groups with different state. Okay. But majorly weekly 2 times you focus for a Hyderabad and Telangana job groups. That is very important for you people. Next thing, whenever you're posting on a Facebook, if it is showing like a create a post. See, when you're posting in a job groups, some groups are premium groups, some groups are normal groups. When you open some groups, they will say create post. You should keep a title, job description, salary, everything. You don't do that. If that is there, you come back. If you are opening any job group, if it is showing directly post on the wall, just post on that type of groups for 30 groups. Okay, not the groups where it is asking to create job must and should. We don't want that, and we can't do one or two in a day. More than that, we can't do more than one or two create job postings in a day. So that what we do is, in Facebook we have a jobs option. Click on that, create a job profile, click on that, and title, job description, salary per month, and all the details, website, your mail ID, and post it out. So this is the Facebook thing. And the another thing is, see, in a previous days when like before 13 years or 14 years back, okay, 10 to 13 years back, when the people recruiters would go for London, US, and uh, different countries, okay, the companies would give recruiters a 1 lakh valuable thing. See, it is a very premium account, and it is called as LinkedIn. You will get only business profiles in this social network. It is same as a Facebook, but Facebook is an entertainment channel. LinkedIn is only for professional accounts. You can find all company CEOs, managing directors, HRs, HR managers, operations, operation heads, social activity heads, NGO heads, like every people. Okay, in all company organization have a LinkedIn account, so they would give a LinkedIn account as a gift. So now we are using that LinkedIn like just like that. Okay, and it is like more futures, more database increased in this last 13 years for the LinkedIn. Okay, many futures came. Now you focus on majorly two things. One is Facebook, second thing is LinkedIn. Facebook, as I said, do the things and post and like our pages also. We have 3 pages and 3 groups. Okay, and next thing is coming to the LinkedIn. See, daily do 2 or 3 postings in a post. In LinkedIn, directly you can post a post, okay, on your profile, and you can add daily 10 to 15 new members. You add only job seekers. Don't add any HRs, operation managers as of now. You just day by day add the job seekers, and whoever applying for you, or keep the status, what we say, like your LinkedIn account and our LinkedIn group. These two things weekly, once or twice, you keep as your status. People will be joining that. Okay, and in LinkedIn we have a lot of IT job groups. See, we can easily get link big profiles like IT profiles, operation heads, team leaders, all these profiles from LinkedIn. We have any plenty of groups in the LinkedIn. You just should create a account. You should have a more than 1,000 people, then you will get a more futures. It is day by day growth. Okay, so whatever you're creating here right now, it may be useful for year or not. You may earn 5 to 10,000 per month or not, but this will be a biggest strength, income asset for you people in your life in a further thing. Okay, so everyone use this daily, but don't lose your concentration. See, myself, whenever I woke up, I'll be with a fresh mind. I'll fresh up myself for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be start working. So even if you're interested like that, you can work on that. And I have one of my colleague, he work on the night times after 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Some people will target after dinner to sit for 1 or 2 hours dedicated on 5 social medias. So we are with 30,000 people in a LinkedIn. We have any 1,500 plus 2,000 plus groups in a Facebook. So we have done daily 1 hour to 2 hours work from last 1 year. That is enough to reach these positions. Okay. Now, team, I hope everyone are working for daily 1 hour. Am I right? Are everyone working for daily 1 hour?
Guys, reply. They are chatting in the chat box.
Just
Yes,
reply
sir.
in the chat box, team. Okay. Okay, Anita. Everyone, make sure that you're working for just 1 hour. Do the
Yes.
postings in the social media. Okay. Whenever Spurti is sharing the host, like this thing, her screen, see how exactly she is doing. Ask the doubts. and Spurti will record this section, and every day she is keeping in this thing. After the section also you can do it. It's a very biggest asset. See, whenever I want to just give an example about myself. See, lockdown moment, all the big consultancies who are the consultancies with 1,000 employees, 1,000 HRs would work in a consultancies. Even that consultancies are shut down. More than 4,000 inactive and active consultancies are there in the Hyderabad, and 2,000 plus active consultancies are there in Hyderabad. Now there are hardly 40 to 50 active consultancies who are working, and proudly we are saying that we are also one of them. We are actively working for 20 plus clients, 20 to 30 clients monthly. As of now, we are working. If one client is, and so from last 1 year, 2 years, we have done a good backup. See, whenever the lockdown started, we have done a groundwork from the political and social media works, and we got a good position. We got a government funding, we got a government support, we got a private company support, good social media, trainers, everything. So whenever you do the groundwork, it may be not useful on the today or tomorrow, but it will be useful day after tomorrow. So never hesitate to work. See, and this is such a work, whatever you are doing today, you will get result today and you will get result tomorrow, and lifelong you will be getting it. And this is the social media networks. Every day it will increase without any effects. Only for the first 3 to 6 months, you should keep your efforts daily 1 hour. For next lifelong, every day it increase, because every person will be adding their people in your groups and in your networks. It will be increased automatically after 6 months or 1 year. Hardly. Okay. Done. Spurti, for the today,
Yes,
make
sir.
sure that everyone are posting regarding this trainers, online trainers.
Okay, okay, done,
It
done.
is very urgent requirement.
Ah,
We required for our company as well as for other companies also.
mm,
Okay, trainers, everyone. See, whenever posting, I'll say you some logics to post this IT things and get resumes in a single day. Now, just open the Facebook Spurti soon. Guys, even yourself, everyone open your Facebook accounts. Copy the message. Spurti, have you kept this? Everyone, hope in part-time job one group, you can see the free job, highest placement service, private limited, free job portal, required to online .NET trainers, to online AngularJS, to online Node.js trainers. Copy that message.
one second, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, no issues.
I'm in another meeting, sir.
Everyone, open your Facebook once.
Okay. So where have to post, sir? In which column you make me to post?
See,
No, no, actually, I'm in
Facebook
the
में
process.
groups open करो.
हाँ,
Only search for the trainers group. नहीं तो एक काम करो स्फूर्ति.
हाँ.
Make me whole. Nako.
Trainer group. Actually, I'm in another meeting as well. So online drive is going on now. So I'm just getting confused little. That is what usually I was doing very well. Trainer.
चलो, no issues.
Yeah.
देखो, post on a trainers group. If you're there in the all trainers group, well and good. Otherwise, join the trainers group. Everyone, I want a screenshot. All the 11 members, whoever are posting, just I want a screenshot after the work done, not now. In the day activity, I'll take the screenshot. If you have a trainers group, post in that. If not, join 30 trainers groups. Not 30, 20 training groups. Just join 20 training groups. If it is asking the permission, the message, whatever you have copied, you paste there
Okay.
and submit there.
Can we do that? Will they agree?
Yes, they will agree.
Okay, fine. So what is your profile? Let's start.
Everyone, guys, if you are already there in the trainers group, post it. Otherwise, join 20 training groups.
Yes. Done.
Chalo.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it. So after joining this is-
Next. Upar jao. Okay. Go ahead.
so after
Join the trainers group.
yeah,
You can straight away press .NET trainers
.NET.
on the search box. On your groups you are searching. No. Search on the top. On the
Okay, yeah.
top. There. Everyone. Search on the top for .NET trainers. You will get people. You will get a groups. .NET groups. Trainer groups. Next. See all. Press see all.
Yes.
Now. Join the groups. Everyone. Everyone join 10 .NET groups. 10 is enough.
Yes, sir. Like if we try to join more than 20, 30, again it will show like
Block. Yes.
thing has-
Only 10 .NET. Copy, paste here. Submit. बस पूरा आने की जरूरत नहीं, छोड़ दो, उन्हें ऑटोमेटिक रेस्पॉन्ड होता है. नेक्स्ट. चलो. Now AngularJS trainers. Search on the top AngularJS trainers.
trainers, right?
Angular.
Trainers or developers?
AngularJS trainers group.
AngularJS trainers group. Okay. So this will there are some communities also. So React is obviously subscribe lead. Not the developer. Is that developer? Yeah. I think I have reached sir. So like I want to join in another session as well, right? So if you're not able to
Hello, Spurti.
yes, sir.
Yeah, dedicatedly concentrated on this. Next, AngularJS. Is it done?
Yes, sir, done.
Next, Node.js trainers group.
Node.js trainers groups. Node.js.
Everyone.
Okay. So I have got this response. So Things. No, this.
Node.js trainers group.
Yeah, yeah. Developers. Okay, 3.22. Yes, sir, done.
Ma'am, it was showing you can't join the groups, you exceed the limit.
Yes, pa, that is what I was supposed to tell. Like they will allow you only to join some of the like daily they have some 15 to 20 limits. So you just try to join daily, that's it. So there is no particular day to today only you have to join all the groups. You just try to join daily on a daily basis. Okay.
No issues,
Okay,
guys. Chalo, this is enough for today. Now, coming to the friends. Now,
Comment
search
and
people, not Node.js, people बोल के search.
no.
Node.js बोल के touch type करो बस.
Okay.
Only everyone. Just Node.js trainer. That's it.
No, this.
Trainer. बस. Okay. Search on the top. Okay. इधर है ना? रुको. People press करो. And not even people. Sorry. Post.
Post.
Post. See, team, now I'm telling you very important logic in this business. Whenever you're searching on the top, not just trainers. And if you're searching on the search result for the post, you can see the other post which the other people have done before 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, or 1 month. So you can see the trainers numbers in the comments. You can straight away call them. Check it out now, Spurti.
Just shall I
Go
keep on?
down, scroll down.
Okay.
You can see the trainers postings.
This akashsir.com.
No, that all. You don't know about the post.
No,
I'm
actually,
saying
I
about the
don't.
posting. If
Post.
someone see,
Ah,
1 second, you can see there.
hmm.
See either
Manu
Manu
Agarwal.
Agarwal
Yeah.
means that Angular Node.js React.
Not just
Here
developer.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Node.js React. Press on that post. See, ऊपर.
Okay.
Sorry, go back. एक बार चेक करो. ऊपर 9 comments है देखो.
This person.
हाँ, वो check करना बस. There you will get the trainers numbers. Directly trainer resumes their profiles.
Okay. Done.
This is the way how you get a profiles from the Facebook. See, post is the only way. If you search, you can get any senior profiles very dead easy. If you concentrate on daily 2 hours, you can get any profile.
So this is also group. Actually.
Not group. You scroll down. In this group, you can see the postings
Yeah.
and their comments.
Yeah. Okay.
You can't see this.
Yeah.
You can see the members. You can see the members. Photos is not required.
Okay. So
Why
member.
we require members? Add this members.
I have to add friend, right?
Yes. Add this trainers. We required a trainers, right?
Yeah.
Add them.
Ah.
Send them a message that we are looking for the trainer. They may respond or they may forward to their friends who are the trainers. Every trainer will have a minimum 10 trainers contacts, guys.
Okay, okay, fine.
Join these trainers, and this is the important profiles. Whoever members in this Node.js developers group means they are a trainers or a developers. It will be useful for us today or tomorrow also. Everyone, I hope you got this point.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, can you please respond?
Guys, please respond. You understood, right? Do you have any doubts in this? Who are there?
No, sir,
Yeah,
we
we
got
will post this recording. And
Yeah.
Spurti, make sure ma
Yeah.
message डाल दो सब 3 group में. From
Okay.
tomorrow there is only one section 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and
Okay.
every day section I am going to join from tomorrow. Every
Okay.
day I will take.
Okay, sir. Fine. Done.
Okay, every day I will tell about one social media.
Done, sir. Done.
Okay, and
Yeah.
guys, make sure that everyone are getting resumes. Done. Now go back, go for the jobs. Everyone, go for the jobs place. Press on the home. Slowly, slowly.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Spurti, you should
Yes,
be,
sir.
whenever we are doing it, we should do very slow.
Okay.
Everyone, just see the profile. There you have a jobs on the left side. Press on that. Now, create job. Create job. Create job. Next. You should get replies through messenger or email. Keep messenger. Keep messenger. Also you can keep mail. तो mail लगा दो माँ. Spurti.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Everything we are doing through.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep everyone keep mail and your mail ID. Just type your mail ID. And team, I'm important thing. If you are doing premium job requirements post in a social media, your account will be developed more quickly. See, if you are posting in a Facebook regarding a security guard, delivery boy, once people will see and they will check out. But if you are posting weekly once, one software developer, one MNC BPO, one core jobs, BTech core jobs, they will join and they'll be in that group itself, and they will make others to join in the group. Next, job title, hiring .NET, AngularJS, Node.js, online trainers. Everyone, note down the same. .NET, AngularJS, and Node.js trainers, online trainers. Done. Business name, Highs Placement Services Private Limited.
So work location will be Hyderabad itself.
Location, Hyderabad, online. See, now I'll say you the logic. Everyone will play the game. See, Spurti,
Yeah.
you keep Hyderabad. Anita, keep Chennai. Kranti Reddy, keep Bangalore. Sai Teja, keep Tirupati. Renuka Kambale, keep Andhra. R. Sunita, keep Delhi. Supriya, keep क्या है अच्छा लोकेशंस?
पुणे, मुंबई.
पुणे, सुप्रिया पुणे, वंदना मुंबई, विनीता वाइजैक. Vinita Vizag. So everyone keep from one location. जो भी उधर whatever the job message we have copied there in the WhatsApp group, just paste here in the job description column. Remove Lavanya madam's mail ID and my number. Keep your mail ID Spurti. Everyone keep your mail ID there. Remove our mail ID and keep your mail ID. Keep the website. Always make sure that you are keeping the website. And 1 second, Spurti,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you one interesting thing.
Mm-hmm.
Second. Oh. Just check your post meanwhile. Now everyone can check our business Instagram account. Just copy that Instagram from the part-time group. Everyone, I hope everyone can see highest placement Instagram link which I've posted in the part-time one. Even I'll share to part-time 2 and 3. Copy that and even post this also in that posting.
Yeah, got to know.
No. Copy that Instagram link. That is our Highs business Instagram link. Copy that. क्या स्फूर्ति तुम्हारा भी इतना टैब्स है?
या डेली ओपन करके रखना पड़ेगा. कौन कभी कैसा पूछेगा, कौन किससे पूछेगा, मालूम नहीं होता ना, इसलिए.
और थोड़ा एंटर मार दो.
ओके.
और ऊपर एक बार एंटर मारो. उधर लिख लो हाइस इंस्टाग्राम. इधर इधर जस्ट. हाँ इधर लिख लो हाइस इंस्टाग्राम
नाम
लिंक. बस कैपिटल लेटर्स लगा दो स्टार्टिंग पे. HIL पूरा. See guys, if Hi's Instagram account is developing, we'll have many people. Some people, so we can post everyone, we can use different postings we can do in that account every day. Okay, now minimum salary 30,000, maximum salary 50,000. Some people keep minimum salary 40,000, maximum salary 60,000. Some people keep for minimum salary 30, maximum salary 50, and salary type per month. Salary type per month. When are you available to start?
I can don't like it's not necessary to give sir, no problem.
Yeah, done.
But I cannot give this next. So they will be seeing this option called next, but I am unable because I have reached
You have
number of limit.
okay. Everyone, just respond. Can you people post? Just post the next.
Click on this button, guys. Here it will be active for you. It will be visible in this color. Next. Click on that. It will be posted.
Okay, done. Spurti, today it is enough. Let everyone share it screenshot in a part-time group and drop message in the 3 groups that
Okay.
everyone should 11 to 12 तक एक ही meeting होगा बोल के. Okay.
Okay, sir. Done.
Send this recording. I'll play in the YouTube.
Okay, sir. Okay, done.
Okay, Spurti.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, guys, the
Bye bye team. Take care. Yeah, go ahead.